Look at this tree, this fig tree. Look how its whole heart is exposed. There's an entire side missing. But this branch, it's as huge as a tree all on its own. And the expanse of this fig tree is just so immense, and it's covered in millions of fruits, literally millions. And look, there's the fig eater birds up here. These ones have the red around the eye. I'm not sure what sort of oriole or fig eater they are. You usually see a lot of them with the blue around the eye. These have red. Don't know if you're even seeing them. But look at how amazing this tree is, you know, to survive. I mean, it's down, it'll be surviving so well, I guess, because it's got a good handle into the water table. But I just find that so fascinating. It's completely exposed. Look at it down there. And yet, see how powerful that is. It's, I don't know, 20 meters across more. And it's covered in millions and millions of fruits that the bats and the birds are gonna eat. Yeah. You know, nature just has a way. It just gets on with it, doesn't it? Doesn't mess around. And I just think this tree is incredible. Trying to see what bird that is. Feathers floating down and away. It's a lovely breeze just coming through now too. Ready to go, aren't you?